mystery people. Beijing. Thanks,
Mr. Man!
All right. Most populated city in the world, about 30 million people. As you can see, it's quite busy. There's a little theme park down there, and we got a few things going on. Check that out. We're gonna have a little walk through and see what all the hype is about. Shout out to Beijing. Here we go, we got a little bit of sunlight. I'll try to get that from a different angle, but check it out again, everybody. Beijing. We got a little bit more of the plaza there, and lots of little animals and fun stuff around. So as we can see, it's a nice spring day. A lot of different little businesses around the theme park, and looks like the sun's actually going down as well, so we'll go check some stuff out down the street. Lots of motorbikes everywhere and all that good stuff, and we get to see what Beijing is all about. So we'll see what we can find. Yeah, a lot of nice little restaurants around and all that good stuff, and this is a side of the world a lot of people don't get to see, so I'm glad y'all can be here with me on Mystery Man Travels. There's not really too many Westerners around, as you can see. Just us. So as we end up being on top of a little bridge here in Beijing, this is actually the walk to where the theme parks and all that good stuff is. You have a look over here, you can see it. Little shopping plaza there. It's actually quite nice. And from looking at the sign over there, forgive the sun, from looking at the sign over there, it says Beijing Happy Valley, so you can zoom in on that one. There's a lot of vacant apartments, and everything's actually just built kind of upwards over here. But it's kind of nice to just kind of watch the traffic, see what's happening, and you just look at how busy this city of 30 million people is. Now we do have a few roller coasters. For those brave enough to have gone on some of these, you can zoom in on that, y'all. So zoom in on the roller coasters. For the people that are brave enough to go on these, put it in the comments and let me know your thoughts. I went up a few escalators and they were kind of squeaky, so let me know. Shout out to Chinese engineering. Let's keep walking down these stairs and see what we can find, and y'all get a nice view of the city. It's quite a walkable city, and there's also a lot of bikes. So you can see the bikes, and they're pretty trustworthy, if you want to say that, over here, because they leave their sweaters and all that kind of stuff on the bike. So, you know, if somebody's really cold, you know what to do, but I ain't gonna say it over here. Now some of this designing and this decor around this area kind of reminds me of some of the decor that's in the States in some places. So they got a lot of ideas, or vice versa, from one place. We have a theater here, and then we have the theme park. We're gonna get a little bit closer to the theme park, and we are going to see. But first things first, let's get a nice view of all this good stuff around. All right, everybody, so there's a lot of good stuff around. We do have the sun going down, but we're still gonna check out as much as we can here. And this is some really nice artwork that we got going on, y'all. So check that one out. There we go, right there. And it's quite nice. So check it out again. You hear the music in the background, everybody chilling, everybody doing their thing. Welcome to Beijing. As we look on this side, we have an ant. The ant looks very happy. Shout to the ants. And then we have the other angle here, y'all. So we have the happy ant, and we keep working our way around, and there's a lot of good stuff. So check this one out, y'all. Mystery Man Travels, we're doing our thing. Beijing. All right, so we are working our way still, and we're going to find a real Chinese street band, and you don't see that every day. So here they are right here, and the music sounds so nice. Let's check it out. Looks like they were taking a break, but that's okay. Yeah, y'all, you don't get this every day. Nice evening walk in Beijing. We're gonna walk down here to what looks like an aquarium, and we're gonna see what's around here. But it does look pretty nice, so we'll see what we can do. Looks like a lot of people getting off work, construction workers and all that good stuff. And yeah, definitely this is the water park here. Now obviously it's not hot yet, so it's not the season, but if you want to go have some fun, you go in the water park. So mystery people, if you want me to go to this water park and do a video, let me know in the comments and we'll see what we can do. You can actually see a really good angle from here, so just go ahead and zoom in on that for a bit. It's pretty nice. Looks like their mascot could possibly be Humpty Dumpty, but we're going to have to find out about that. And we got some ancient Chinese singing. I'm just gonna not talk. Here we go. Really make you feel like you in China right there. So shout to China. And shout to these trees, these are nice. So when the blooms start blooming, to replace them, they put these red things in the trees. Everybody in the comments, let me know. And then we look over here again, and we have our little bit of skyline and the shops and people living around the shops. It's actually quite a nice place. So shout out to Beijing, y'all. Thanks,
Mr. Man!
All right.